Look, it's Grizz, and it's Taffy, and it's sandy roads. Can only mean one thing. Grizz and Taffy are on Burnham-on-Sea. Yeah, we just had fish and chips. We're just doing a little recce and seeing if we can find the beach anywhere, but it's like no vehicular access to the beach. Let's have a little look and see if that's right or wrong, because it looks kind of beachy up here. Not peachy, I said beachy. Let's have a look. This is rubbish. Let's have a quick look. Here's the beach. Son of a beach. We can't really ride down there, can we? No. Good evening, Taffy.
Good evening.
How are you this evening?
Very well.
You leaving your keys in the ignition? Do you want to walk down to the beach? Let's have a quick walk down to the beach. Hopefully no one will steal our bikes. Lead the way, ladies first. Watch you don't slip over. Fucking hell. So here is the beach. Don't say I don't take you anywhere, guys. And you, Taffy. Yeah, it's the beach. Sandcastle. Make a bike castle. A bike out of sand. What on earth is that? That's not a bike. That is a penis and testicles. I should be the one doing this. It's just wrong. Taffy. Can't take you anywhere. What is that about? Yeah, that's a lovely sandcastle, love.
It's a didgeridoo.
Yeah, it's a didgeridoo. You're very talented. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, I can see it. Oh, God. Yeah, that's brilliant. Can't take her anywhere. And look, the sun's going down. The sun's setting.
Hold hands, I think.
Hold hands. Everything, and everything is you. Anyway, come on. Oh, what, should we make a wish?
Make a wish?
Yeah.
No, that's shooting stars, not sunset.
Oh, okay, sorry. Alright. Well, there you go, people. There's Burnham-on-Sea. Well, look, there's a couple of Frenchies. Two Frenchies. Cute. I'm embarrassing you. What, with your penis?
No, that's a didgeridoo.
Oh, it's a didgeridoo.
Confirm that one this year.
It's confirmed. Let's go. Hello. Hello, little doggy. Hello, boy. Hello. He's a good boy. Good boy.
Probably because you have fish and chips.
Yeah, you can probably smell the fish on me. Anyway, look, he's got one ear up, Frenchie. Oh boy. Look at the other one. Oh, they are both got one ear down. Am I recording? I am recording, aren't I?
I don't know.
Is there a red light on?
Yeah, there is.
Oh, cool. I am recording. Thank God for that.
Go for a swim?
Me?
Yeah.
No. It's more like a...
I thought there was someone sunbathing. It's just a blog.
Yeah. That would be more like a muddy experience, wouldn't it? Than a swim.
There lies the challenge.
Yeah. There lieth the challenge. Shall we get on the bikes and ride?
Keep on rolling.
Let's roll. Well, the bikes are still here. Would you like some dog's poo and beer of sorts? Right. Oh God, that stinks. Oh jeez. Wow. Right, let's go for a bit more of a ride. Oh, I got sand on me bike. The bikes are still for sale. Sorry guys, we've not sold them yet. I've been super busy doing other stuff. And yeah, I've still... Huh? You just washed it. Taffy washed the bike. But we've got to change the exhaust, haven't we? You've still got the Scorpion exhaust on. We're going to put the standard exhaust on. Got a K&N filter in there as well, which I think you said to leave in. Alright. I've got to put an MOT on mine, because the MOT runs out this weekend. So yeah, we've still got to sort the bikes out, but we will get there. It will happen. Should we mosey, dear? Told off? It's public parking, it's not. My fuel light's on again. God, there's like loads of parking spaces. I'm guessing people shaking their heads at us, at me, at us. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking rubbish. Here is my GoPro. Oh, I've left my GoPro in the bag. Sorry guys, no front camera. So it's just, you just got to look at my view at the moment, sadly. And you don't get to look at me. You don't get to adorn me. Bummer. Fuel light off. Where is the TAF? Oh, I thought she had followed me. No, she's still waiting to pull out. Now fuel light is back on again. So I need fuel. Maybe I can put that front camera on and I get some fuel in a minute. The TAF is in tow, so let's get a bit of fuel. Again. So all I've seen to have done is late is chuck fuel in this thing. But I have done a lot of miles recently, so that is why. Will I get asked to get off the bike? No. No, I didn't. Right, we fueled up. Front camera is now on and filming. Mercedes squeezing out past Taffy, nearly hitting a Ford Focus, and I'm gonna hit the horn to synchronise the mics because it's a well of a pain not doing it, not synchronising. Everyone looks around like, what is he doing? What? What's the problem? What? It is loud, but it's a complete headache trying to synchronise the sound without beeping the horn. Come on. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you everyone. It was a great effort. Thank you for letting us out. Much appreciated. I'd like to say a special thank you to the woman in the little white Ford. Don't ask me what kind of car it was. I'm not really great with cars. But a special thank you, special shout out to the woman that let Grizz and Safi out of the SO. Big ups to you, woman in the white Ford. Evening all. So, as I said, lots to do still, really. I feel lame, but I've done a few kind of like personal things, work-wise, sorting out with some of my dear friends. So I've been kind of focusing on that a bit. I really do need to get the bikes finished and ready and up for sale, because I don't know how long it's going to take, but first things first, business first, pleasure second. Talking of pleasure, it's the Pleasure Dome. Oh, I've left Taffy. I'm so bad, I'm sorry. She's catching me up. And I don't really have the appropriate blooming visor. Should have brought me clear visor. Sorry people. Always wear a clear visor when it starts to get dark. It's surprisingly bloody dangerous, and Grizz has been surprisingly, or maybe unsurprisingly, stupid and left his clear visor at home. So, yeah, great. Western Seafront. Western Super Mud. We're going now. Just taking a quick picture. We're going now. Thank you. Don't miss a beat around here, do they?
No.
Don't miss a beat. Get off there. What are you doing? What are you playing at?
He was nice though.
Yeah, he was nice. You can have a go. I'll move mine. What do you reckon? Do
That's pretty.
you want to get one of me
Ooh, one of you.
on the bike?
Darker one, so you can see the sunset.
No, that's absolutely cool actually. No, that's perfect. Thank you. All right, should we go? Some cool pictures for you guys to keep you entertained. So there we go. It's Grizz and Taffy's bike night. Whoa, Taffy's crazy. Bike night. Westlands bike night. It's usually bike night's usually on a Thursday night, and tonight is a Thursday night, but I'm guessing they've not started it yet because I've not seen any bikes. But yeah, it's Grizz and Taffy's bike night instead. So yeah, not sure really how much more footage we're going to get of any good quality. So just in case, I'm going to say good night and love to you all. We didn't get in trouble yet with the police. Not yet. No, police are still there. They're not pulling away, which is always a good thing. So yeah, before it gets too much darker, thanks for watching everyone. Just a little bit of fun. Share a little bit of fun with Grizz and Taffy. Hopefully over the course of the weekend I can get the bikes more sorted and get them up for sale. And yeah, we can sort out our future bikes. Really looking forward to getting that. We can't wait to get Taffy her bike. Still don't really know what I'm going to get. It's just too much to choose from, to be honest with you. I feel very spoiled. Even spending like nearly half the value of this bike, I still feel spoiled to be spending that. So it's all very good. And I'm looking forward to seeing what changes come. Hope you enjoy too. Okay everyone, thanks for watching. And see you in the next one. Cheers everyone. Bye.